Hello and welcome to Talking Tectonics Part 5, I think, because I may have lost count. As you see, another scale model of the Earth is here. Australia is a bit more north, of course, so that's done. You can also notice that there's ice cubes on it. This resembles a time a long time ago in the Permian. This was 250 million years ago. A giant ice cap formed during an ice age. It was formed in South America, Antarctica, Africa, India and Australia. Now this is very strange, because one big ice cap covering all these regions? How do we know? Well, when ice forms when a lot of ice forms, it starts to scratch the surface, and these scratches can still be found and we can date them. Geologists can, I can't. Now, when this ice melts, we can still see those scratches. So of course the ice is gone. There is no ice in Africa. At least, not at the equator. Now, how is this possible? How can we find an ice cap on the equator? This should be one of the hottest places on Earth. How do we find ice in India, north of the equator? Well, a logical explanation would be that there was ice everywhere. But then we would find traces of the ice in the rest of the world. And we don't. So ice up to the equator in Africa, north of the equator in India, and then in all these other regions. Once again, only one explanation is possible. These continents must have been a lot further south, and India was not yet connected with Asia. So all these continents further south during an ice age gives us more proof of plate tectonics and continental drift.